Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So welcome into my kitchen, and today I'm here going to prepare a chicken starter. It's the chicken wings and this is around 1 kg. So I'll be marinating it. So I have all the spices laid out here which I'll be using for the marination, and this is some coriander powder. All the measurements I'll be mentioning it in the description box, so you can refer to that. I'm adding some cumin powder and some chili powder. This is the plain chili powder. It's not masala mixed with a lot of spices. This is the plain red chili powder, and depending on the spice that you require, you can add the required quantity. And you can also add pepper powder to add for the spicy flavor, and some turmeric powder and salt depending on your taste, and some garam masala, which is always added for flavor in Indian cooking. And you can add yogurt, something sour for a marinade, but presently I don't have that in my kitchen, so I'm going to add little bit of vinegar. Yeah, that's it. And I'm going to mix all this contents well. So for marinade you can add yogurt, curds, thick, and you can also add either lime juice, or you can add some vinegar. So depending on what's available in your kitchen, what you have, you can add this. And this marinade I'm going to keep it in the fridge, not in the freezer, in the fridge for some time. You can, the more longer you marinate, you'll get more good flavor. All the spices will penetrate into the meat. So you can keep it for almost 6 hours to marinate, or an entire day. And then we'll add the other ingredients like corn flour and flour, and then we'll deep fry it. So I'll cover this and keep it in the fridge. Actually, most important is the ginger garlic paste, which I forgot to add, so I'll be adding it now. Actually, it's supposed to be added prior, but I forgot to add it in the marinade. So anyways, I'll make some small adjustments and I'm adding it now and give it a good mix. Actually, it would add very good flavor if I had added it earlier, but never mind. Just give this a good mix. And this has been marinating for almost 3 to 4 hours, so it's required to marinate the starter for quite some number of hours. So we'll keep this aside and we'll prepare the batter for deep frying. Add some all-purpose flour. So you can also have other alternative, like you can add gram flour or egg to this batter, but better preferred is all-purpose flour. So I have added around 4 tablespoons. I'll add 2 more, so it is 6. And all the measurements, if you have missed out, you can refer to the description box below. So this is around 6, and I'll be adding around 3 tablespoons of corn flour. So corn flour helps in the binding of the batter. And this is on 3.5 heaped tablespoons. It adds to the binding, and also it makes this chicken drumstick really crispy and nice. Add some salt, a little bit of salt to taste, and for the spice we'll add some freshly pound pepper powder. So although we have marinated it with good amount of spices, but for this coating the batter, even that can be bland, so I'm adding some spice into this. And add some water and give it a good mix, and let it be a nice homogeneous mix so that there are no lumps formed in this. And depending on the quantity that you're going to fry, you can add the batter, prepare the batter accordingly, the quantity. So you can also add egg as a batter with some amount of corn flour, but also the maida, the all-purpose flour and the corn flour will do good. Mix it so it becomes a nice homogeneous mix, and all these lumps, it becomes into a nice mix. So it's become into a nice homogeneous mix, and just check for its consistency. I'll just fry few, 1, 2, and then we'll see whether this consistency is okay. So add some oil. I'll be frying it in coconut oil, and let the oil get heated up. So once the oil is heated up, just reduce the flame, and we are going to add the chicken pieces one by one into this batter. Just check with the first piece and be careful, just gently drop it into the batter. Drop it into the oil. So I think I can fry around 4 to 5 pieces simultaneously. So just reduce the flame and let it be on medium, because we don't want the outer coating to get burnt instantaneously when the oil is too hot. So let it take its own time and let the chicken cook from inside. So when you prepare this, you can either have it like this dry with some sauce, especially it tastes very good with Szechuan sauce, or you can have a seasoning and add these pieces into that seasoning. Anyways, it will taste good. So in coconut oil, it basically takes a lot of time to get cooked, so you need to be patient and just turn it after some time. So this is just a recipe vlog of my daily cooking. It's nothing special that I make a recipe for a YouTube video, but this is just a dish which I prepared today, and I thought I'll share this recipe of mine with you all. And if you all like this, then and you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you'll find a lot of such interesting topics that I vlog on, like food, and a lot of interesting stuff to come up in this 2019 year. So let it take its time and let it fry well. Continue to fry this. I'll increase the flame so it becomes a little faster, because this coating has to be golden brown. Let it be a nice deep golden brown. So it's become nice and golden brown, but I found the batter to be little thin, so I've added little more corn flour, and also I wanted little more that the batter should bind well with this chicken. So I've added almost 1 tablespoon extra of corn flour to the batter. This is nice and crispy, but I wanted a little more thicker coating on this. So here is the chicken lollipop ready, fried one, and you can also toss it with some sauce and have it, or some sauce like Szechuan sauce, and also you can try your variations like using the gram flour as a coating and also egg. So let's see in my further recipes that I prepare. I'll make a lot of variations and share that with you all. So bye bye as of now. I'll see you all in my more upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. And if you like this video, then don't forget to share it with everyone. Bye bye. I'll see you all in my more upcoming videos.